Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TaskRabbit account. Now, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and type in taskrabbit.com or just simple type in TaskRabbit. Based on your current search engine, it's going to do a search and you will find TaskRabbit. So you can head over to the official website. No, to create an account, it's super easy. And I just would like to mention to you guys, if you don't know what TaskRabbit is, TaskRabbit basically allow you to find services for people who can help you to do various tasks for your home. So you're thinking about mounting, moving, cleaning, outdoor help, repair things, painting, and all these different kind of things. If you scroll on the page here, you can see that they have assembled over 3.4 million furnitures, move over 1.5 million times, items moved over a million, and home repair 700,000 plus, home cleaning almost 900,000, right? So they have done quite a lot, quite a lot. So if you are looking for help, guys, TaskRabbit might be one of the best option for you to get help to do whatever it is around the house, right? So to create an account is super easy. Go ahead and click sign up. Once you're on the upper right hand side, you will see sign up and log in on the upper right hand side. You can also choose as well if you want to become a tasker, right? Now go ahead and click sign up, and here you can choose to sign up again by clicking on sign up. Now to create an account, you want to go ahead and fill in your details here. So you want to go ahead and enter your name. I'm going to just type in Drew. I'm going to just type tutorial as an example. I'm going to just enter the email just right there, enter the phone number. Be sure to choose the country where you're currently living in. I'm going to just do simple, go ahead and enter a phone number here. Then I'm going to go ahead and create a password. Then you want to go ahead and put in your zip code, and then you want to go ahead and click agree to the terms here, then create the account. Now you will see right away, once you create an account, you will trigger to save your password. You can go ahead and do that if you want to save it on the upper right hand side within Chrome or whichever browser. You don't have to, but once you're in, you will see that you have your account. You can see as well, this is basically telling you that you need to describe the task that you need to get fixed right here, right? And you will see how much it actually costs. So you can easily go ahead and search for whatever it is that you need, right? Now, if you'd like to learn more about how to use it, let me know in the comments below. Keep in mind as well, I'm showing you how to use the computer version, but this is also available on your Apple device and also your Android device. So if you have an iPhone or you have a Samsung Galaxy or whichever phone that you have, you can download those on your phone as well, right? So just keep that in mind. Now, if you'd like to learn more, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to create multiple tutorials on how to use this. But because I know you guys are always supporting me, I'm going to dedicate an entire playlist showing you all that you need to know about navigating TaskRabbit so that you can easily learn how to navigate this website. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.